It is freezing here. Ah, forgot my camera. Welcome to sunny San Francisco. I tried to chase the fog this morning, but I totally failed. There was some fog over the city early this morning. I was by the Golden Gate Bridge. I was there for sunrise. I woke up very early. I'm staying north of the city, like an hour north, so I had to drive an hour to be there for sunrise, and sunrise is very early these days. It was at 5:45 in the morning, so I left the house around 4. I tried to get as close as possible to the fog, but it went away pretty quick, and now we are left with this very sunny and very clear day. At least it's not hot. At least here in the city it's like around 70-75 degrees, so that's nice. I'm still not sure where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna try to photograph today. I'm definitely staying for sunset today. I still have hopes for some late afternoon / evening fog. That would be amazing. By the way, I just made some coffee. This is room temperature instant coffee, and I know it might sound bad, but it's not that bad. Here on YouTube, people seem to be having always very fancy coffees. I like coffee, but not that much. I don't mind having some instant coffee. Room temperature is maybe a little bit pushing it, but you know, I have nothing with me. I flew to San Francisco. I only have some clothes and some cameras. I have nothing else with me. I have no other way to make better coffee. And I don't want to be going, to coffee shops several times every day. So a little bit of instant coffee with a little bit of just regular water does the trick. It is not the best coffee ever, but it tastes like coffee and it gives me the caffeine that I need. So a little tip if you are in a situation like I am right now. I guess this is it. There is no fog. The light is beautiful and it's only gonna get better as the sun sets. But today was a rather boring and plain day. There was not a single cloud in the sky. I like some weather for my photography, but that's something we can't really control, even though some of you have made the joke in the past about my ability to summon like the rain or the fog. The truth is that I of course can't control that, and that I get out much more often, many more times that you see here in this channel. On a day like today, I could normally not even record a video because there is very little action, so I don't have much to show. But today I decided to make one and to show you the way it is. That's going to be my approach for the time that I have here in San Francisco and nearby locations. The forecast for the next 2 weeks is not very good. It's just sunny and unfortunately also very hot, but I will try my best. I will be getting out for sunrise and sunset every single day, I guess. Adrian from the future here. So this is the next day. I got up early today as well. I got in the car and I actually drove for a little bit, but it was very clear and I checked the webcams and it was clear as well. So I decided not to go back to the Golden Gate Bridge this morning, and what a mistake that was, because look. So yeah, the bridge is pretty much gone, covered in fog. I wish I was there. This goes to show that I'm actually pretty bad at this. These things are pretty hard to predict, and the only reason why I sometimes get amazing conditions for photography is because I usually don't do what I did this morning, and I usually go outside and I spend a lot of time outside. So just by chance, statistically, of course, I'm gonna get every once in a while good conditions. Anyway, as I said, it's getting very beautiful out there, so I'm gonna record some videos, take some photos. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy the sunset that we are gonna have here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.